In today's discussion, I'd like to delve into the exciting prospect of the Super Bowl potentially making its way to AMC Theaters, exploring the immense revenue potential this move could unlock, and shedding light on why it's the hedge funds and market makers, rather than AMC's retail investors, who are in the driver's seat. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. Let's get straight to the heart of the matter. Alexandra Vargas recently took to Twitter to share a message related to AMC shareholders, citing an email response she received from Adam Aram. In her inquiry to Adam, she asked about the feasibility of screening the NFL Super Bowl on the big screens at AMC Theaters with the assurance of shareholder support. Adam Aram's response was highly encouraging. He acknowledged that this was not a new idea, but certainly a great one. He'd also revealed that efforts had been ongoing for several years to make this happen, and that they were getting closer each year to securing approval from the NFL, potentially making the Super Bowl at AMC a reality in the near future. Why is this year different from the previous ones? Well, if we take a look back at 2021, AMC struck a deal with the UFC, showcasing numerous UFC fights, including those featuring Conor McGregor. The success of this venture was notable and demonstrated the potential of non-traditional content for AMC. Fast forward to 2023, and we see a growing trend of artists showcasing digital films at AMC. Although distinct from sports, this marks another shift away from exclusive movie screenings. AMC is already expanding its repertoire to include sports events and concerts, making this the opportune moment for the Super Bowl to capitalize on this revenue source, especially considering the recent revelation of Taylor Swift's massive earnings from the Eras Tour. Speaking of Taylor Swift, reports suggest that she stands to make an astonishing $4.1 billion from the Eras Tour. This number dwarfs previous estimates of $1 or $2 billion, and it encompasses both physical and digital ticket sales, potentially including sales to AMC cinemas. It's worth noting that AMC also reaps a substantial share of the profits from digital concert sales. However, it wouldn't be a complete discussion without acknowledging the voices of dissent. Fox Business has raised concerns about Taylor Swift's deal with AMC, arguing that a lack of involvement from Hollywood studios may have cost her millions. Nevertheless, with the NFL and the Super Bowl poised to enter the AMC scene, this could be a game-changing revenue stream capable of generating hundreds of millions, if not billions, from a single event. You might wonder why people would opt to watch the Super Bowl in cinemas when they can watch it for free at home. A former TV executive has made a compelling argument, suggesting that the Super Bowl, if offered as a pay-per-view event, could generate billions of dollars. This assertion hinges on the belief that millions of Americans would still choose to watch the Super Bowl, even if it came at cost. After all, movies are readily available for free on streaming platforms, yet millions of people worldwide flock to cinemas daily. The current domestic yearly box office revenue supports this notion, already surpassing $7.4 billion, outperforming the previous years and indicating a robust appetite for cinema experiences. Crystal adds that all that's needed is more content and more movies, reinforcing the idea that showing the NFL, especially the Super Bowl, at AMC could be a winning idea. On a related note, there's intriguing information about Sam Bankman-Fried's potential testimony in court. Elon Musk has speculated that Sam may testify despite the advice of his lawyers. The rationale behind this move is the stark contrast in consequences. Testifying might offer a small glimmer of hope for a reduced sentence compared to the certainty of a lengthy prison term. The level of potential vindictiveness and the possibility of Sam implicating others are points of concern in this unfolding legal drama. Additionally, Alexandra Vargas has drawn attention to the issue of brokers offering synthetic shares for shorting and market makers selling synthetic shares through brokers, contributing to the prevalence of FTD's failure to deliver, and IOU in the market. She emphasizes that those who purchase these shares technically own a real share, and eventually, brokers and market makers will be held responsible for these obligations. As AMC accumulates profits from various sources, including Taylor Swift, Bianca, Lady Gaga, and potentially the Super Bowl, the pressure on these shorts to cover their positions will intensify. Lastly, a recent liquidity grab involving IRA shares is worth noting. These shares initially traded at around $23 each, but quickly surged to over $575 by the end of the day, despite modest trading volume. This incident highlights the potential for substantial liquidity generation in these pump and dump schemes and raises questions about the motivations behind such latent actions in the market. It's a development that warrants close scrutiny. In conclusion, the possibility of the Super Bowl making its way to AMC Theaters holds the promise of being a game-changing revenue source. The enthusiasm and support from both AMC shareholders and the company's management, as well as the precedent set by successful non-traditional content, make this an exciting development for AMC and its investors. While there are differing opinions on the impact of such deals, with concerns raised about Taylor Swift's agreement with AMC, the potential for significant earnings, and the expanding scope of content offered at AMC Theaters should not be underestimated. The debate surrounding Sam Bankman-Fried's potential testimony in court adds an extra layer of intrigue to the financial landscape, with significant implications for the crypto world. The prospect of reducing a lengthy prison sentence by cooperating or implicating others introduces an element of uncertainty in this unfolding legal drama. The issue of synthetic shares and the responsibilities of brokers and market makers regarding FTDs and IOUs further underscores the ongoing challenges and complexities in the financial markets. As AMC continues to diversify its revenue streams, the pressure on short positions may intensify, potentially impacting the broader market dynamics. Finally, the recent liquidity grab involving IRA shares serves as a reminder of the speculative nature of some market activities and the potential for significant gains and losses. It highlights the need for vigilant monitoring and analysis of market developments. As we navigate these dynamic and evolving financial landscapes, rest assured that efforts are underway to improve our alert system and keep you informed about these fast-moving market trends. Stay tuned for more updates and news, plays in the ever-changing world of finance and investing. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.